So you might be in this random situation where for some reason the weather application just isn't working for your particular device. Now on your iPhone, the weather app is pretty popular, but if it's not working, the first thing you're going to want to do is just double check your internet connections. Sometimes your internet connection can be the problem, and this is by far one of the easiest ways to go ahead and fix this and address this. So what you're going to want to do here is you just want to go through and just double check your Wi-Fi connection. So swipe down from the top, check your Wi-Fi, check your cellular connection right over here. Those are some of the big things I'd recommend doing here for the most part. So that's kind of the first thing I'd recommend doing. Now, if that's not working, another thing I'd recommend doing here too is to try going through and seeing if you can essentially try double checking Apple's servers. So Apple has like a system status page. So if you go up here, if you just type in Apple system status, just like that, you'll basically be able to go into their status page and it will tell you exactly what issues Apple's currently having. So it tells you all services are operating normally, but sometimes they'll tell you that there were some issues that were resolved earlier from today. So sometimes you might just have to go through and double check this website and just make sure that there's not any errors, and if there's a big massive problem, then that can be a problem. Now you might also have to go through and try basically updating or reinstalling the weather app. You can hold down on the weather app here and just remove the application. So remove the weather app, go back into your app store like this, click on the search bar, and just search up for the weather application. So just like this, and you want to see if you're able to reinstall it, and if you are, then that might end up fixing the problem too. So those are kind of the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.